Now that your spreadsheet is filled with data, now you have to manage the text tools. The text tool add-ons are basically used for the text that you use in the spreadsheet. Numbers can be calculated and graphed, but text can be harder to manipulate in a spreadsheet. So, we will discuss some of the helpful tools to translate, analyze, and map our text in the spreadsheet. Firstly, we are having an add-on here, that is AYLIEN text analysis. The text analysis. If you want to summarize text, analyze its sentimental feelings, you find the concept and individual entries in the text, you have to use this text analysis. It offers a full suite of tools to help you figure out what your data means and how to use it for more effectively. Like you're having some of the sentences here, like you're having I'm feeling sad, this is awesome, you are so complicated. It is going to give you the comments like it is the negative feeling that I am feeling sad. It is the negative feeling. This is awesome, it is a positive feeling. Now we see you're so complicated, what type of feeling it is. You just go to the add-ons, you're having a text analysis here, you're having the option to start here. When you're going to start, the text analysis will open and you just press the analyze the text. You choose an option here from you want to do the sentiment analysis. You just have the analyze here. Yes, it has given the negative sentence marking for your sentence that you're so complicated. So it is the way how we get the sentiment of the text by this add-on. Another add-on that we use is the translation add-on. It is going to translate your text into any other language that you used. You find some foreign language data and you want to translate it in the any other language, then you are having this add-on here. By the help of this add-on, you can translate any world's language to any other world's language. Another add-on is the mapping sheets. The mapping sheets. It is to build your own data file and it is used to view with the mapping web app using Google Apps. Mapping sheet is a handy tool to make customized Google Maps that show general locations alongside specific addresses. What you have to do it, you just enter location name and addresses and it will show on the map that what address and what is the particular location you have chosen. Another add-on is the Autocrat. It is to turn your data into template document. AutoCreate is used to turn your data into template document. If you want to turn any of your data to the beautiful documents, then you have to use this AutoCreate tool. You add your data to a spreadsheet, then create your own AutoCreate template document. It will give you the list of templates, that which template you want to use. Then it is going to decorate your text with the chosen template in the AutoCreate. The next add-on for the text is the Sudoku sheets. It is to make Sudoku games in your spreadsheets. If you want a break from your work, Sudoku sheets can auto-generate an easy, medium or hard game in your spreadsheet or let you design your own puzzle. It can validate entries as you add them, and if you get stuck, it can solve the puzzle automatically. So it is a useful way to lighten your work when you are doing it in the spreadsheets. It refreshes your minds, and even it also allow you to design your own puzzles in this app. Thank you.